Hello YouTubers, Celticghostz here. Today is September 1st, 2021, and I thought we would go ahead and do an update today of the Crazy ONET game. I've continued playing it since our last update. We're going to check everything to see if anything is paid out. Now every day I check this to see if they paid, and also to see if we can connect with human services. So we'll go ahead and do it again today. As you can see, up until now I have not reached human services. I'm not sure what happens if they actually answer. But we check it every day. We make sure we log in every day and play the game so that we remain active in case that's one of their stipulations. Okay, so no payments on any of the cards or the cash, and let's see if we got the phone. Let's see if we can reach human services here. Alas, not today. So we go ahead, we're on level 581. Well, YouTubers, you hang in there and keep playing your games, and maybe one day, if we're lucky, some of these games will pay. Well, if you like what you're watching and you want to see more, please click my like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.